Little unboxing for your eyeballs this morning. A collaboration between myself and Ashbury Precision Ordinance based on their Saber chassis. It's a 260 Remington. This is a gun that I'm running on the Sniper Adventure Challenge put on by Competition Dynamics. So we collaborated on lightening up their Saber chassis. So they sent me over their solid modeling, and what I did is I went through and spent the better part of 12 hours on the computer designing in these lightning pockets to maintain the strength but reduce the weight of the overall rifle by a fair amount. Change the rail around, lightning pockets on the sides of the chassis itself. Aluminum chassis, 6061 T6 if I'm not mistaken. Got a Vortex 4.5 by 27 HD2. Proof research, 1-to-8 twist 260 barrel, custom chambered. We're gonna be running G9 bullets, so Josh is gonna be coming out my direction to work up a ladder load on this guy and work up a really specific load just for this chamber. So I'm pretty excited to try that out. Typically I reload everything myself, so I'm pretty excited to give that a try. Really liking Ashbury short action they have here. Turned out pretty good. Really dig their logo. So we've got a 22-inch proof barrel. I think I said that, 1-to-8 twist. Should launch some really nice projectiles out of that 260. I'm expecting pretty good accuracy out to about 2,000. So this is, I guess, what you would call the super precision light rifle from Ashbury. And then we're just running a 20 MOA scope base. And oh, forgive me, I cannot remember off the top of my head what trigger we're running in here. I'll get back to you guys on that one. But it's set at about 1.5 pounds. Real good for the race. I don't want to go too much lighter than that for the race just because we're going to be running and gunning pretty hard. And, you know, if I trip and fall on my face, I don't want it to drop the hammer on that. One really cool thing that Ashbury did for me is this cheek riser is a prototype. They 3D print a lot of parts, and they have a FDM Photos 360 3D printer, which is really cool, just rapid prototyping. And they were able to 3D print this riser exactly for my face to click onto this stock and have enough clearance and give me good eye relief. I thought that was pretty cool. So they can do a lot of rapid prototyping in plastic parts. I think I'm gonna have them do some prototype knives for me just to give that a try, because it'd be pretty cool. I don't have that capability here in the shop yet, so pretty excited about that. So there she is. There's my race rifle. Hope you guys enjoy. Check out Ashbury Precision Ordinance, Proof Research, and Vortex. All good people. I'm wholly vouch for them all. So I'm gonna enjoy breaking this guy in and seeing if I can get you know, sub half MOA groups out of this real quick. It's already there, so I just got to do my part. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Jaco Back Knives.